What it was, bro, she need a battery. Her battery gone. I got some used batteries for sale. So I got one. I got one on here. I sell used batteries and stuff. So just call me back and let me know what we need to do. If she want to buy the battery or she want to buy a brand new battery, whatever she do. But call me back and let me know, bro.